We all know one of Wix Harmony's strengths is its powerful built-in AI tools that help you quickly set everything up. But if you ever want to take control, it also allows you to manually set things up. Today, we're going to talk about how you can manually optimize your website page's SEO, starting with how you can add a focus keyword. Let's get started. On the Wix Harmony editor, click on the page drop down here. Hover over the page you want to work on and click the three dot button next to its name. Go to SEO and accessibility and go to SEO. Look for Add a Focus keyword and expand it. On this field, enter your desired focus keyword. It should follow the criteria listed below. Keyword should be 2 to 5 words long. Choose a relevant phrase that feels natural when included in this page's content. Don't include your business or site name. So go ahead and do so. Once you're done, click on Apply. Now, the focus keyword you've set will become the primary search term for your web page, which will affect your page's discoverability in search engines. So, when it comes to choosing your focus keyword, make sure to choose a keyword that balances high relevance, reasonable search volume, and manageable competition. That's all for now, guys. Hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, please check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.